Right, here we have the Dirt Wash Ultimate Bike Care Kit for the bicycle there and a mountain bike. As you can see, comes with all this light. Yeah, perfect for the bike, maintaining and everything. I came with it free, worth £21. Here's all the stuff. Chain cleaner, nice big sponge, got the big can of spray there, citrus degreaser and lubricant, a big bottle of bike cleaner, non-toxic, citrus degreaser there, TF2 as we all know as well, as proper that is, and all weather lubricant and wet lubricant there. Plus came with 2 cleaning brushes and a sprocket cleaner, that's it. Yeah, very good. That lasts, well, you'd think a lifetime, wouldn't you, for a bike light? Near enough, if you're not on the road too often. So yeah, short clip of that. Thanks to my partner for getting me that for Christmas. Yeah, that certainly served me well. Thanks for watching.